continuing chapter 10, which is two-sample hypothesis testing. And last time we worked out an example, which is really typical of all the examples in the chapter, of comparing two groups. I forget what did we do an actual example? Maybe not. I'm not sure if we did an actual example. H1, mu1 not equal to mu2, which means the two groups are different in terms of their averages, of course. And I told you the formula that we used last time, and I tried to show you some of the logic behind that formula, is n1 minus 1 times s1 squared. That's an important difference compared to the other parts of chapter 7, 8, 9, and 10. 7, 8, and 9, we always have an s here. Now we have s squared, s2 squared, and n1 plus n2 minus 2. And this is further divided underneath the radical sign by 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2. And this whole thing is divided into the difference of the x bars. The third step of this hypothesis testing is similar to the third step of the other chapter 9 hypothesis testing, which is you have your alpha, which we're going to chop in half. The degree of freedom, which in this case is n1 plus n2 minus 2, or the sum of the separate degrees of freedom. The rejection region is going to be the extreme values here, the extreme values here. The acceptance region, which is technically labeled do not reject a 0, is here. And finally, we're going to make an arrow to indicate what our conclusion is in terms of are the two groups the same or are the two groups different. Now, last time, did I start an example last time? I'm trying to remember. Did we do an actual example? We just got this far. Brian, when you close it off for a moment, please.